Hey everybody, so I'm here today to do an unboxing of a new handbag that I purchased. And if you found my channel through makeup videos, I haven't done a lot lately, mostly because I haven't done much lately. It's summer. I'm not even wearing makeup today. I hate wearing makeup in the summer. It just rarely happens. And also I have barely shopped, so I think I've purchased 4 things from Sephora since April, and I haven't purchased anything from like Target or Ulta or anything like that. So I may do like a reformed makeup addict haul so you can kind of see what that is, but for the most part I think I'm off the makeup kind of train. I still watch some beauty videos, but I've been watching a lot more like fashion and handbag and blah 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 stuff, which I'm also very interested in, always have been. So I wanted to do an unboxing today of my new handbag. So it came from Everlane, and it's in this giant box. And I will kind of tell you that I used to be a super into handbags, and I would buy them constantly, but I would buy fairly inexpensive ones I would see all over. And a long time ago, probably 6 years ago or so, I started just buying like one quality handbag that I really liked and really wearing it for like a year or two kind of nonstop. So that's more of my aesthetic now. In fact, I think I only own 5 handbags. This will be number 6. So here is the interior, and we've got like a receipt booklet. And here's the bag. So inside the bag is a dust bag. It's more of it's sort of like one of those reusable grocery sacks, kind of. That's what it feels like, the dust bag. I mean, this is an affordable or contemporary brand. It's not like it's a luxury brand, so it's not going to be super high end. But here is the Day Market Tote from Everlane. I'm gonna have to back up so that you can see it, and it's in the color Cognac. So we've got a pocket on this side, I believe, and then this side has the tag, and it has the Everlane embossed. Here's the bottom. It's got structure, and I'll show you the other tote I've been carrying for 2 years, and we'll sort of compare. I'm going to take out the stuffing. Smells like leather. It is made in Italy, according to Everlane. It's nice and light. I like that. And then, yes, on the inside, we do have, on the inside, we do have a pocket here, which you can see the outline of on the back. All right, so that's the Day Market Tote. It's supposed to have, I want to say, a 9 or 9.5 inch strap drop, so that should be fine. The straps are maybe like slightly stiffer than I expected, but overall, I'm loving the color, and I'm quite pleased and excited to have this. So let me show you my current bag that I've been, like I said, that I've been using pretty much day in and day out for 2 years. It's this black leather tote from Artifact, which I will link below. It also has a pocket on the side. It's got copper rivets, which I really like. And then the same thing on the back, which is just plain with the copper rivets. You can definitely see, like, I have some wear and tear on this in terms of like these white marks, which I assume are from the brick wall in my basement as I go down a very tight corner staircase in my house. I think it might come from that. And it sinks a little bit on this side because I always put stuff in this pocket, especially my phone during the day. This is an unfinished leather on the inside, and it looks like the Everlane one is maybe also like that, but not quite as rough as the interior in this one. And this one does have a little key fob thing that the Everlane tote does not have. However, this hook has always been so stiff that I've never used it, other than maybe like the first week that I got it. And it's filled with all my stuff. So I love that bag. I would even possibly love to get it in another color. They make this gorgeous burgundy color, but I really wanted something neutral for like summer, or I feel like this color, this cognac color, is actually pretty seasonless. So I'm actually in the market too, maybe for a lighter tote, like a beige tote. Yeah, so I am excited about this. Yeah, the interior to me does feel like unfinished leather, so it might scuff and stuff, but that's okay. It's only $175, so I'm not expecting like, you know, finished interior or anything like that. I will insert a picture of Meghan Markle using this tote. I don't think I've ever purchased anything before that I've ever seen on like a celebrity. So yeah, I've actually had my eye on this tote for probably a good 6 months, and I finally decided to treat myself. Yeah, I'm excited to start using it, and I will come back maybe in a few months to give you an update on how well it wears. Thank you very much for watching. I will talk to you later. Bye.